The most important this election season is the Maharashtra Mahayudh, because remember, one of the big seats, of course, is Baramati. But what about other seats? 11 of the 48 seats in Maharashtra today, while include Baramati, where it's Pawar Bahu and Pawar Behen, but there's Satara, there's Kolhapur that are going to be the top focus as well. Look across on the screens. The leaders who have voted, the supporters, those on the ground as well. Early morning, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, NCP patron Sharad Pawar, his daughter Supriya Sule, who's contesting from Baramati, were among the ones who reached early to the polling booth to exercise their franchise. Actors Ritesh Deshmukh as well, his wife, actor Janelia Deshmukh, also with their mother, arrived to cast their vote. So that was one political family. This was in Latur. Remember that Baramati seat is going to witness Supriya Sule in action against her own sister-in-law, Sunetra Pawar, wife of Ajit Pawar. Meanwhile, in Satara and Kolhapur, two descendants of Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj are fighting the electoral battle. In Kolhapur, Congress candidate Shahu Chhatrapati is up against Shiv Sena's Sanjay Mandlik. Whereas in Satara, BJP's Udayan Raje Bhosle is up against NCP's, which is the Sharad Pawar camp, candidate Shashikant Shinde.
हर चुनाव में जो भी कैंडिडेट रहते हैं उनके प्रचार के लिए जो कार्यकर्ता काम करते हैं, जो पार्टीज काम करती है, उसको सबको लगता है कि हमारा ही कैंडिडेट जीत के आएगा। अभी तो शुरुआत है, अभी 6 बजना बाकी है। शाम के 6 बजने के बाद कितना परसेंटेज वोटिंग होता है वो सब देखना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मुझे भरोसा है आप भी देखेंगे कि लोग हमारे कैंडिडेट के पीछे खड़े रहेंगे।
क्या इस बार पहली बार कोंकण में कमल खिलेगा? कितना बड़ा आह्वान लगा है?
कमल देश में खिल रहा है तो उसमें अपवाद कोंकण थोड़ा रहेगा। 400 पार इस बार एमपी चुन के आके हमारे पीएम साहब मोदी साहब पीएम बनने वाले पीएम, तो उसमें कोंकण का एक एमपी जरूर रहेगा।
कुछ लोग आए थे कोंकण में और भावनिक आह्वान कर रहे थे और सहानुभूति मांग रहे थे लोगों से। क्या आपको लगता है कोंकण के लोग जो है विकास मात्र चाहिए
साइड में और सहानुभूति मांगना चाहिए? वोटिंग में कुछ काम करके बता, तुम्हारी पार्टी का क्या आइडियोलॉजी है, लोगों के देश के हित में है क्या पार्टी? आपने हिंदुत्व का बोला, हिंदुत्व के लिए शिवसेना है, उसे गद्दारी करके मुख्यमंत्री बने, तो ये आपकी आइडियोलॉजी है।
कितने मार्जिन के साथ जीत हासिल
करेंगे? से मैं चुन के आऊंगा,
विश्वास है।
जिस तरह से 2 महीने से मैं घूम रही हूँ लोकसभा मतदार संघ में, दिखाई दे रहा है कि लोगों में बहुत एक गुस्सा है बीजेपी के खिलाफ, क्योंकि जो उन्होंने प्रॉमिस किए थे वो डिलीवर नहीं कर पाए। तो आज लोकशाही की जीत होगी। हम काम पे भर देते हैं और काम जो शोलापुर दुष्काल मुक्त होना चाहिए, शोलापुर में पानी आने चाहिए, रास्ते होने चाहिए, विमान सेवा होनी चाहिए, आईटी पार्क और युवकों के लिए नौकरी की संधि आनी चाहिए, लोड शेडिंग मुक्त होना चाहिए, और किसान जो सबसे अफेक्टेड किसान है उनके लिए बहुत सी चीजें करनी है।
ये तो मैंने तो अभी बोला कि लोकशाही का उत्सव है और इस उत्सव में सब हमारे नागरिक सहभागी होते हैं और मुझे पूर्ण विश्वास है कि इस वोटिंग में हमारी लोकशाही प्रबल रहेगी और हमारा लोगों का स्थान भी बढ़ेगा और सब सर्वधर्म समभाव जिंदा रहेगा।
नहीं, मैं सभी से यही अपील करना चाहता हूं कि मैं मुंबई से लातूर आया वोट करने के लिए और सभी लोगों को बाहर आकर ज़रूर मतदान करना चाहिए। मैं सबसे यही उम्मीद करता हूं कि वो अपने घर से बाहर निकले और आज का दिन बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है और ज़रूर जाकर वोट करें।
नहीं, जैसे मैंने कहा पहले भी कि ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट दिन है और वोट करना आपका हक है, आपका राइट है, तो प्लीज़ जाके वोट कीजिए। थैंक यू।
Let's go across now on the ground to Baramati, because that's the high-profile constituency. Omkar Wable is joining me for the latest. Omkar, what is the turnout like? What is it looking like in one of the most important constituencies where it is Sunetra Pawar and Supriya Sule?
Well, Pooja, I must say this is a battle of survival against battle of existence in Baramati, because we have seen it's been 3 months how Sharad Pawar is reconciling with the rivals. The same on the other hand, Ajit Pawar also, he was trying to do political patch-ups between old political rivals, and till date, right now, actually I'm standing in a Kathewadi where Ajit Pawar cast his vote in the morning. After that, Sunetra Pawar and Ajit Pawar, they both came together with their mother. They cast their vote here. But interestingly, recently, Supriya Sule went to her auntie's place, where Ajit Pawar is staying right now. I mean, Kathewadi, where votes are going till now, 8.5% is voting already done, and heat is going here. So the voting percentage might go down till evening. We are expecting almost 60 to 65% of voting should be done in Baramati. But now we have to see how things are getting turned up and how political heat is rising up.
Right, so Omkar is telling us precisely what's unfolding in Baramati. Remember, it's going to be very crucial, because when we talk about, and here let's talk about the seats as well, because at this point, remember that we are talking about Baramati, where precisely as this point where we have the Bahu, and right, so this, remember, is the state we are talking about right now in Maharashtra, where Baramati, where there's a Sharad Pawar family literally fighting as the main candidates. There's Supriya Sule, the Pawar Beti, and there is Sunetra Pawar, who's the Pawar Bahu as well. Importantly, let's go across to other details coming in with regard to what's unfolding, because here, in terms of seats, all right, we'll try and get this worked out specifically what's unfolding in Maharashtra. Let's go across to on the ground as well. What are we picking up from details coming in from other seats as well? Because Maharashtra, remember, with about the seats that are facing, and there is Gujarat and Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh as well. We'll go across to Kannauj in just time, where we're getting more visuals on this. But at this point, remember that the state focus remains, whether it's Uttar Pradesh and whether it's Maharashtra, the phase 3 unfolds some of the most crucial candidates and constituencies that are focusing. Look at on your screen. Supriya Sule, remember, we are also showing you how it unfolded in 2019. Supriya Sule is the big candidate with about 53%. And whether this time, with the factions that have come in, with Ajit Pawar and whose wife, Sunetra Pawar, who's fighting, will they be able to at least make inroads? Because if Supriya Sule loses, that is going to be a big defeat coming in for Sharad Pawar's faction. At this point, with the voting that's on, that's Ajit Pawar casting his vote about a short while ago.